Okay. Here,
Great way to start up a video. Why do I have to hold it?
It's on now, so.
I know, but I don't want to hold it.
Sam, hold it.
Sam,
She's texting. She can't. Okay. We're actually going outside.
High heels.
And in heels.
Look at this. High heels and no jacket.
Oh shit. Oh crap.
Lock your door, Krista.
Nah.
Krista.
Oh crap.
Krista. Lock your door.
No. People are gonna think we're retarded.
What the fuck? I can't.
Yeah, I'm.
I am retarded. Ow, my ankle. I told you. I gotta. Oh my god! I did a double
That's really low. My feet are effing cold. Hurry up and open the goddamn door. Your feet. Ow! I banged my knee.
Is it food paper?
Yeah. Oh. Sorry, excuse my language.
We're retarded.
Okay.
Dude, my angels are high heels. I mean,
Okay. It's oh shit. Wait.
dude, I don't think I can walk.
I'm full.
You're like wet and everything. Hi.
What do you?
Oh, I was like, who's saying hi to? Food. Good idea.
My feet are soaked.
Don't please say that. I'm gonna put my foot in the fire.
Okay.
Bye.